In this session, we are going to study the new topic, sum of first n terms of an AP. So first of all, let me explain what is the use of this topic in our real life problem. Okay, let me explain through a real time example from your textbook itself. If a mother of 1 year old, in order to save money for her daughter's future use, she puts some money in the money box every year on her birthday. For example, she puts 100 rupees in the first birthday and in the second birthday 150 rupees, third birthday 200 rupees. So every birthday she kept increasing the money by 50. If she wants to collect the total money at the age of 21, how much money will be there in the money box? So it's a bit time consuming process, is it? Adding all the numbers from first birthday to 21st birthday. To make this process shorter, they introduced one formula which is S equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here S denotes sum of the first n terms, n number of terms, and A denotes first term and D denote common difference. So there are two other ways to write the same formula, which is S equal n by 2. I can split 2a as a plus n minus 1 into d. So I can write S equal n by 2 a plus, so we can write an for these term, which is the formula for finding the nth term in the AP. And same time here an is the last term. Okay, that's why we can write the formula n by 2 as n by 2 into S equal n by 2 a plus L. So we can say L denotes last term. So here is another formula, which is an equal Sn minus Sn minus 1. This formula is to find nth term of an AP. So here Sn denotes sum of first n terms. Sn minus 1 denotes sum of first n minus 1 terms. So these are the formulas we are going to use under this topic to solve the problems. Let's try to solve this example problem. To find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP, 8, 3 minus 2. So here we know that the formula to find first n terms, for finding sum of first n terms, right? So S equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our formula, required formula. So what are the values we can write from this AP? The first term, which is a, 8, d is a2 minus a1, which is 3 minus 8 minus 5. Let's substitute in the formula. Since it says first 22 terms, I am going to write S22, sum of first 22 terms equal. So here n is 22. Let me write it. Okay. So 22 by 2, 2 into for A8 plus 22 minus 1 into D, for D minus 1, sorry. Let me substitute that. Let's reduce. So 11, 2 8s are 16. So plus, after multiply these two, so minus 105, which is equal 11 into minus 89, which gives me minus 979. So we can conclude sum of the first 22 terms is minus 979. What if sum is given and asked to find 20th term? Let me try this. So from this example, if the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 150 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. So what are the values given? So let me write the formula first, which is S equal n by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our required formula. So here sum of first 14 terms is given, which is 1050, and the first term is given, which is 10. A is given, A equals 10. Find the 20th term. So we need to find n value. Sorry, n is given, an we have to find, right? So n is 14. So what is an? Which is nth term, 20th term we have to find. So A20 we have to find. So let's substitute the given value. So S14 is given 1050. So I write the value for N14 divided by 2 and 2 into 10 plus N is 14, 14 minus 1 is 13D. So let's reduce it. 7, 20 plus 13D, 1050 here. Let's multiply inside by 7. So I get 140 plus 91D. Here 1050. So 1050 minus 140 equal 91D. So 9, 10 equal 991D, which means D equal 10. So now we know D and A. What is the formula for finding nth term? So A, we are going to find 20th term. So A20 equal A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for finding nth term. So first A value is 10 plus 20 minus 1 into, for D, 10. So after solving all these, I got 200. So the 20th term, we can conclude this, the 20th term is 200.